Hey everybody. So today I'm actually going to show you something very simple. Sometimes, once in a while your keypad for your garage door opener may stop working, like it may stop responding, or you may notice that the lighting isn't working anymore. Some people tend to think that there's a big problem with the system and they got to call someone. But not really. Most likely, all you got to do is replace the battery. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, and that should fix our problem. Okay, so for the most part, most of these keypads take 9-volt batteries, but always check with your owner's manual to be sure of what you need, or it may even say inside. This particular one is the LiftMaster. The Chamberlain ones are pretty much about the same. So what you do is you open it up, and as you can see here, there's a battery compartment right here. You may be able to pull it down with your fingers. Sometimes you may just need to use a flathead screwdriver, but this shouldn't be too bad. There we go. And right there is your 9-volt battery. Very simple. So you go ahead and you just try to pull it out carefully. All right, and now you just got to carefully get it off the terminal here. Just pull it off as carefully as you can. All right, just like that. All right, let's go ahead and get a new one. Now, for the new battery, if you're unsure of how to put it on, for the most part, some will give you an idea of which is for positive, which is for negative. But for most of the time, what you can do with a 9-volt battery is, you see how one terminal is a smooth circle and the other one's kind of a hexagon shape? What you want to do is you want to put the battery on the ends that don't match with one another. So what you want to do is you want to put the hexagon one on the smooth circle and vice versa. So we'll go ahead and do that. And as you can see, it's snapped in place nicely. Yeah, make sure it kind of clips in place. The battery is nice and connected properly. So then you go ahead and place it back inside, just like that, and reinstall the cover. Just want to make sure it stays flush against the surface, just like that. Now you should be all set. Now I can tell you right off the bat, if I hit one of the buttons here, oh yeah, see the yellow backlighting? That's a lot brighter than it used to be. And just give the keypad a test, just to see if the door works. On this particular one, when the door's open, you can just hit enter without the code. And as you can see, the door closes. Perfect. So go ahead and we'll let that close. Perfect. And now we'll go ahead and we'll open the door. Now, of course, I'm not going to show the code on camera, so we'll just look at the door while I do that. Beautiful. Yep, so there you go. Most of the time, if your keypad doesn't seem to be working, if the backlight is dim, or maybe it's kind of spotty on responsiveness to the opener, sometimes all you got to do is just change the battery. There you go. So door works nicely, keypad works once again, and you're all set. Very simple fix. Hopefully it's that easy for you. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.